Hey everyone, this is Smruti. Welcome to Q Automation Classes, and today will be the last session of the framework development. And in today's session, we will see whatever the code base we have already developed that we'll going to push it into the remote repository, right? So let's go to the GitHub first. So let's open this one. Go to GitHub. Okay. So login. Okay. So let's log in with Smruti SDET. Login, two-factor authentication. So I have to do this two-factor authentication now. So Git has recently launched this two-factor authentication, guys, and you have to, every time you need to log in, you have to give this two-factor authentication code. Okay, so add a passkey. Ask me later. Your device supports passkey. Touch facial recognition, device password and a pin. Okay, ask me later. We'll do it later. Okay, passwordless authentication. That's okay. So now let's do this one. Okay, so cool. So update to the home page. Okay, so we have to create a new repository. Let's go and create. And what will be the name of the repository? Just give the same name as of your framework name. Refactor, rename, control C. Okay, so let's go here and give the same repository name. And Selenium framework demo, checking for availability. Okay, this is available. And then if you see description, if you want to give, you can give. I'll just make it as public so that you guys can go ahead and download it from my GitHub. And then I'll not going to add git ignore, not choose a license, nothing. Okay, so just creating an empty repository. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Let it create the repository first. So new repository, creating repository. Something went wrong today. Something is slow actually. Okay, fine. So let me do one thing. Refresh. Oh, okay. So let's go to github.com. GitHub is down. github.com, GitHub login. Okay, so now I'm logged in. So let's create new. Some issue today. Server is currently available to service your request. Okay, so there is something with this GitHub today. We're facing some issues. We'll see. Maybe after some time we'll try to. Okay, it's coming. Let's try it one more time. Okay, create repository. I think this time it got created. Okay, there was some server issue that time, guys. Okay, so from the GitHub side, nothing from our side. It is from the GitHub side. So now it is working. So now you see we have HTTPS and SSH. So let's copy this HTTPS. So before that, let's go to our automation framework, right? So if you see, we have been working on the branch master, but we never committed anything. So just we kept on developing. We never committed or did nothing. So initially framework development is complete. So at least if I have to go to the Git, right, I'll say push. Okay, so if I click on the push, let's see. So you see here empty repository. Okay, so push commits to the Selenium framework demo, right? So we are going to push the commit, but there are no commits. That's why it is not even allowing us to configure the remote repository, right? So first we have to go and do the commit first. Okay, so git, let's say commit. Okay, so commit message, let's say framework architecture is finished. Okay, framework architecture is finished and can be used to automate test scripts. Okay, so now you have to commit this one. Okay, everything is going to get committed now. You will see so many things are going to get committed. So we never added anything, nothing. Right here you can see all those changes, whatever is going to get added. 21 files are updated. It is going to 21 files are going to added and it is going to get committed. See now base steps.java, custom listener, Excel utilities. These are page classes, test classes, right? Form.xml. So warnings are there. That's okay. So do the commit. So now it is committing. Okay. So let's wait for the commit to finish. So see 21 files committed, framework architecture is finished and can be used to automate the test scripts. So this is what we have given, right? So this is what we have given. And let's go run git. Okay, let's say commit. So here amend commit. Okay, I missed T over here. Okay, scripts. Okay, so I meant commit and just commit. You can do the commit if you want, right? And that's okay. So now nothing is going to get changed. So I meant commit, sign up commit. What is this sign up commit? I don't know. So okay, so now commit is not coming. Okay, fine. So let's do one thing. So now everything is committed. Now we can say git and push. Okay, so now it is asking me to define the remote. So what is the remote now? So you have copied this URL, right? So copy this one and then put it over here and then click OK. Okay, so master to origin master, this is a new, right? And right, so now we can say push. Okay, so now it is pushing. Login via GitHub. Okay, so GitHub login, authorize in GitHub. So smoothie estate, not add the resume, only username, give the username, password, give my password, this is my password, sign in. Authentication code, again this is because of two-factor authentication, right? So I have an authenticator installed on my mobile, maybe Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, you can use any authenticator, and you go to the authenticator and get the code, right? So my code I got. So now verifying, done. Okay, so authorize JetBrains. Okay, so it has been successfully authorized. So let's see what is happening here. Still pushing. Okay, pushed master to new branch origin slash master. So now the push is done. So let's go to remote branch. See, earlier it was created just like this, nothing was there. Just let's refresh it. Okay, so let's go to Selenium framework demo. Okay, this is the one. And now if you see the report, source test, everything is available over here, right? So if you see source test, and here automation exercise, and here test cases, two test cases should be there. And similarly, if you see here page classes, three page classes, home page, sign up user home page, it is also there. Automation utilities, you can see these utilities are also there. And if you want to see pom.xml, you can see our pom.xml also. And let's see our testng.xml inside the resources, source test, and their resources. So test data, configuration.properties, log4j2.xml, right? So let's see, this is our configuration.properties, log4j2.xml. Okay, everything is there. Okay, so now you can go ahead and start using this one. Okay, this is our reports, guys. Okay, so extend report, HTML and all, everything came here. Okay, so yeah, that's all, guys. The code is pushed there. I think this testng.xml didn't go there. Okay, hey everyone, so let's see, we will update to this git ignore. So before that, I just want to show you once what happened to our pom.xml, testng.xml. This was there, but it was never added to the git. Okay, and because of which it was never part of the our commit or the push that we did to the remote repository. So what you need to do, if you see here, to the git and git log, so go to the git and go to the git log. If you see, there are two commits. This is the first commit we did, and in the first commit these files got pushed to the remote repository, but not the testng.xml, right? So what I did, so I went to this testng.xml, and then first I had to go to git, right, and then add. So it got added to the git staging area, and then I did the commit, right? So after doing the commit, then what I did, I went to the git and then I did a push to the remote repository. So now if you see the testng.xml, you can see the testng.xml is present here, right? So testng.xml is also there. If you can open and you can see, right, this is our testng.xml. And similarly, if you want to update this one to not to include the reports and all, so we can do that. Log slash means all the folders from the log should not go there. Okay, so these two I'll just do here, After target slash, I just do this to here. Okay, and commit, let's say updated git ignore, updated git ignore. Okay, so updated git ignore, commit, and then let's do a push. It's pushing. Let's see, updated git ignore should come here. Okay, updated git ignore. So yeah, you guys can start copy this one and start using this one. Okay, if you guys need any more information, please ping in the comment section, I'll get back to you. And if you guys are really enjoying this session, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel, please, and share these videos with your friends and colleagues, and so that's it, they can also get benefited out of it. So thank you everyone, we'll see you in the next session. Bye bye.